Hello friends, so today I'm going to review a jump starter which is very popular, very affordable and very good in a quality. So without further ado, let's get started. It's a EverStart Maxx, comes with a 800 amp jump starter and compressor. Also it has a illuminated air pressure gauge, LED battery level indicator, audible reverse polarity alarm, ultra bright this light, heavy duty metal clamps and cables. So let's get started. These are some features. It's of course it's a jump starter, air compressor, USB charging port, and then light. These are the four main features, and this is the box. So this one I bought for $50 from Walmart. With a deal I got it for $44 because I applied some online coupons, and then I got it through Instacart. So I got a delivery from Instacart with a $44 including all taxes. This comes with a 2-year limited warranty, and as you can see, it's a 800 amp big battery. It's perfect for cars and camping, as it comes with a 3 USB ports and also LED light, air compressor as well. So I'll quickly open it. Give me a minute. It's opening. So it comes with the manual and one pin, and this is the actual jump starter. I'll quickly unwrap it. Comes with a nice packaging. It's really good. It's very powerful. Okay, this is the pressure gauge, air compressor. This is the charger. Okay, to charge this. So here is the port. You can charge over here. Just plug in like this and it will start charging. Let me show you. Simply plug like this. Okay, it's showing low, battery level low, medium, full. So once it reaches to full, yeah, it's a bit fast now. Of course it will take 1 to 2 hours, I believe, to get full charge. So this is okay, you have to put it negative on the battery and like this, and then this one. This cables is pretty short, but it's still sufficient. You have to keep it nearby to battery, so it's not that much of concern. It's very useful. And this is the compressor wire cable. It's also, yeah, it's sufficient. I used it earlier from same brand 7 years back. I really impressed and I bought it again. So let me disconnect power here. I'll show you how to start. This way you can start like this and then plug it over there, so it will start charging. Once you plug this to battery, then put it on start mode. So battery level, battery checks, you can do it like this. USB power, you can, if you want to use USB, then just click on USB. So USB will start over here, off. And this one, battery, yeah, this is also good, powerful. By simply clicking, you'll get, for camping, outdoor, it's amazing product. So no need to call for your insurance company for jump start. Just anytime you can do a jump start. And also the air compressor and the USB charge. So let me know in a comment below if you have any questions. I used one of the product earlier. It's the same product. I bought it, so I know. I have been using like 4 years earlier. So this is an excellent product. It's really amazing price, $50 at Walmart right now. Just buy it. Don't think twice. I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching.